Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice logarithmic equation, and I want us to solve for the value of x given that we have log x squared base 3 minus a half log x base 3 is equals to 3 over 2. I want us to solve for the value of x. So we'll begin by, if you check, log x base 3 is common. We have log x base 3 here and on this side. So let us substitute it with y. So log x base 3 is equals to y. So while we have log x base 3, we are going to substitute it with y. So this will be y squared minus a half y is equals to 3 over 2. Now you can see a half and 3 over 2 here are fractions. So to get rid of the fraction and we have a whole number, let us now multiply everything with 2. So this will be 2y squared minus a half times 2, this will be y is equals to 3. Okay, so 2y squared minus y, bringing 3 to the other side, this becomes minus 3 is equals to 0. So we are equating it with 0. We have formed a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. We can now solve it using factorization method, whereby our sum is our b, the middle part which is -1, and our product, we are taking the coefficient of y squared, which is 2, times our c here, which is -3. So this gives us -6. So 2 times -3 gives us -6. We are going to look for two numbers. When we multiply the numbers, we are getting -6. When we add the numbers, we are getting -1. So these two numbers are 2 and -3. These numbers, we are going to substitute them in our quadratic equation. So 2y squared plus 2y minus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now, this becomes our first term, and this is our second term. Let us now factor our common factor here, which is 2y. So this will be y plus 1. And for this case, our common factor here is -3. So this will give us y plus 1 is equals to 0. So y plus 1 is common. We are going to pick 1, y plus 1. Then pick what is left outside the bracket, 2y and -3. So 2y and -3 is equals to 0. Now we are going to equate each term with y, so with 0, sorry, to solve for the value of y. So y plus 1 is equals to 0, y is equals to -1, and for the other side, 2y minus 3 is equals to 0. So 2y is equals to 3. To remain with y, we shall divide with 2 on both sides. So this will cancel. Y is equals to 3 over 2. Remember, we had said earlier on, let log x to the base of 3 is equals to y. We now have the value of y. We can now solve for the value of x. So log x base 3 is equals to y. For our case here, our y is -1. So log x base 3 is equals to -1. So this means that x is equals to 3 to the power of -1. X is equals to a third. So x is equals to 3 to the power of -1. We can as well write it as x is equals to a third. So we've solved for the value of x. Our second value of x, we have log x base 3 is equals to y, and our y here is 3 over 2. So x is equals to 3 to the power of 3 over 2. So our final answer, x is equals to 3 to the power of 3 over 2. So x has two values. We have x is equals to a third, or x is equals to 3 to the power of 3 over 2. So these are the final values of x. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye bye.